Hello friends, welcome to Technical Trends YouTube channel. I am Dharma. One important announcement is that as per the demand, I am making a video series on what to do and what not to do to avoid losses and to make profits. It is for all the traders, investors and junior analysts. So this series will be very helpful to all those who are in financial markets to make money. Friends, I'll be busy in this week. So stay connected to our channel to receive our latest videos. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon for our latest videos. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share among your friends and family. So let's see today's predictions, friends. So friends, here it is US 500, which is S&P 500. Yeah, I've been telling that it's going to go to the level of 3400. It's almost there, so there is no point to discuss. It's gone higher highs. So similarly Nifty also is just in trend. So friends, if it crosses this level, we can expect more higher levels, but at this stage we have to wait and see whether it is going to cross or not S&P 500. So let's see Nifty. So friends, Nifty, I have described in my weekly video that this is going to go up only, even for on RBI's policy meet today. After announcement, it's going to go up only. So accordingly it is going up, and you can see the levels here. Now it is closed at 11,322 level. So friends, it has taken resistance at 11,350, which I have mentioned even my weekly video. So if you check that video, so you will come to know the levels what I have given. Accordingly it is going through. So friends, now where it is going to go now, Nifty, let's see. Friends, it has to cross this one. I did mention that it has to cross 11,350 on the closing basis, so then only we can expect further levels. But at the moment this is going to be in range bound, what I expect. So friends, this will be in range bound for some time before going upside. So that is my prediction on Nifty. So let's see Bank Nifty as well. Bank Nifty, as expected, to support Nifty, Bank Nifty has crossed 22,000 level. It was earlier taking resistance at 21,900 plus area. Now it is gone through that resistance zone. Now it has reached to 22,240 range, closed at 22,230 around. Yeah, now next resistance will be around 23,320. yeah, make note of these numbers, or 23,500, friends. And downside contrary, we can see this is going to be 22,100 range is going to be, you can see here clearly. I'll make a note once again. So friends, this area, you have seen this one, this area is going to be support for tomorrow, which is 22,100, and upside 23,320 or 23,500 we can expect. So friends, or even between 400 also is there, one more resistance zone. So here before 22,100 we can see support at 22,000 even. So those are the levels for Bank Nifty, friends. And Nifty, I have clearly mentioned that it has to cross 11,350. Contrary, Nifty's downside support levels will be like 11,230 to 240, or even 11,200. I will write down here for your information to make note. So friends, here it has to cross 11,350 upside. Downside, the support levels will be 11,230 to 240 or 11,200. At this area you can buy. Okay, so buy on pullback only. So wait for these levels, not at these levels. Okay, so another stock which is Reliance. So Reliance friends, it's in again same uptrend. You have seen that pullback. So with that we have seen even Nifty pulling back to 10,880 range. Then it again you can see that it tried to attempt previous highs now. So it's consolidating here. So that is the reason I'm saying Nifty also might consolidate this level, because after this level, you know, Nifty Reliance, if it breaks up even previous high, then it will go up, so that Nifty will also go up. So you make a note of this thing, friends. So let's see the best stocks what we are going to trade for today. Friends, I have given HDFC Bank to buy yesterday, and it has reached both the targets. At the same time I have given Dixon as well. Dixon also has achieved all the targets. So now again I am going to give call in this HDFC Bank. You can see here, friends, it has broken higher side resistance nicely after consolidating at this level, friends. So from here I'm expecting further highs, so that I will give you later on. And one more stock which I'm planning to give you is Aurobindo Pharma. You can see in the last 1.5 to 2 hours the Aurobindo Pharma has turned upside and traded towards upwards, and you can see at this level it has given breakout, and from here I'm expecting further high levels, which I am going to give in Telegram channel. So at the moment I am not giving here, so stay connected to our Telegram channel as well to get all these messages. So friends, that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you will benefit from this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon for latest videos, and see you in our next video. Till then, bye.